Good afternoon, gentlemen. Welcome to 90 Minute Content. My name is Fadli. We are going to be your host today. The today agenda will be, the first is opening. The second is the giving speech by some speakers. The third is advertisement for Nayak from Nayaka and Russia. Fourth is closing. Let's begin this event by raising Bismillah. The first agenda is speech from storyteller. The first is Muhammad Rizky. Time is yours.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I want to tell you some story about Abu Bakar as-Siddiq, or I will tell you what is how does life of Abu Bakar as-Siddiq. The table of content. The content that I will told you today is about who is Abu Bakar, about his nickname, about his lineage. Who is Abu Bakar? Abu Bakar bin Abu Quhafa, or better known as Abu Bakar or Abu Bakar as-Siddiq, was one of the early adherents of Islam, one of the Muhammad main companion, and the first caliph be sworn after the death of the Prophet Muhammad. Taught his daughter Aisyah radhiyallahu anhu, Abu Bakar was one of Muhammad's father-in-law. At this slide, we will know that Abdullah bin Abu Quhafa. Abu Quhafa is his father name, and then better known as Abu Bakar as-Siddiq. Abdullah is his own name or his name, and then Abu Bakar as-Siddiq was his nickname, one of the early adherents of Islam. At this, we will know that Abu Bakar is the man. The first man that joining Islam, and then one of the Muhammad's main companions, and the first caliph to be sworn and after death of the Prophet Muhammad. And then taught his daughter Aisyah. Abu Bakar was Muhammad's father-in-law, or his daughter Aisyah was being the Rasulullah SAW wife. And then next, his nickname. Abu Bakar has three nicknames. That is, first is Abu Bakar, the people who first and hasten in welcoming the teaching of Islam. And then the second one is Atiq. Atiq has two meanings. The first meaning is come from Jahiliyah era, that is means handsome and dashing. And then the second one is come from Islamic era, that is mean the first to receive news of go to the heaven. The last is as-Siddiq, the people that confirmed words of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His nasab. Abu Bakar as-Siddiq met with the lineage of the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam at his grandfather, namely Murrah bin Ka'ab. At this slide, we will know that Abu Bakar Abu Bakar was being the Rasulullah siblings. Start from Murrah bin Ka'ab, and then Abu Bakar. And this slide, we also will know that Abu Bakar has some connection with Rasulullah, at least before he's known about Rasulullah. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The second storyteller is Fadlan. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Now is a question or presentation about Hamzah bin Abdul Qadir. But I'm using presentation. Okay. Next is what I'll discuss. The first is Prophet Hamzah bin Abdul Qadir, and the second is convert to Islam, and the third is Lion of Allah, and the fourth is Hamzah bin. Okay, the first is Hamzah bin Abdul Qadir was a friend, uncle, and a sibling of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hamzah has the nickname of Lion of Allah because of his heroism when defending Islam. Hamzah was born almost simultaneously with the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, the next is convert Islam. Hamzah convert Islam because he see Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam attacked by Abu Lahab, because after he hunting and crying out, he see what Abu Lahab attacked Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. After that, he defends Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and Hamzah decided Gulesh and embraces Islam to precise in the month of Zulhijjah, the end of the 6 years of the prophethood. Okay, the next is Lion of Allah. Hamzah bin Abdul Muttalib was a friend and uncle of the Prophet, and he have a nickname Lion of Allah, and he have a second nickname that the title is Sayyid al-Shuhada, which means the leader of martyrs. And Hamzah bin Muttalib was trusted by the Prophet Muhammad SAW to become the first military commander for Muslims. Okay, the last is Hamzah. What Hamzah did. Since the war was begun, Wahshi was kept as on the month of the Hamzah bin Muttalib because he have assignment to kill Hamzah bin Muttalib, and he have a moment, and he throw the spear to behind Hamzah bin Muttalib, and the spear hit Hamzah lower back and went right through up the front, and he. And after that, Prophet Muhammad SAW was very sad when he saw the body of Hamzah bin Muttalib, because the body of Hamzah bin Muttalib is what like mutilasi, and immediately Hamzah's body was then warped in the short boards of his sister. Okay, maybe that all from me. Sorry if I have a mistake. Wabillahi taufiq hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The third storyteller is Mirza Danis Fatur Rahman.
Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I will deliver my storytelling, and the title of my storytelling is The Companion of Prophet Muhammad. There is Abu Bakar As-Siddiq. So before I will start my presentation, my storytelling, I will introduce myself. My name is Mirza Danis Fatur Rahman, and I am from Depok, and in IDN I'm from 9th grade, especially is 9D class. Okay guys, so the storytelling about companion of Prophet Muhammad is Abu Bakar. Abu Bakar born in Makkah. Abu Bakar is the good people number 2 after Prophet Muhammad. Abu Bakar As-Siddiq is the good companion of Prophet Muhammad. He is get the nickname, and the first nickname is Abu Bakar. And why he get the name of Abu Bakar? Because he the first people hasn't in welcome the first the call of Prophet Muhammad SAW. The second of the nicknames of Abu Bakar is Ashidik. Why he get the nicknames of Ashidik? Because he is the first confirmed of the confirm to the news from Prophet Muhammad SAW. And the third nickname is Alik. The meaning of Alik is second. The first from Jahiliyah era and the second is from Muslim era. The meaning of Jahiliyah era Alik is handsome and dashing. And the second from Muslim era, this meaning the first people got the news of converting to Islam. And then Abu Bakar As-Siddiq, he is so loyal to Prophet Muhammad, and then he accompanied Muhammad to hijrah from Mecca city to the Madinah city, and the journey that is so long, and Abu Bakar is so loyal to Prophet Muhammad. So Abu Bakar is the good companion of Prophet Muhammad. So guys, maybe that's all from me.